The following segment is sponsored by Cache Valley Creamery. If you love cheese and bread, oh yes, you're going to love this delicious and easy recipe of cheese stuffed bread bites with Cache Valley Creamery and Amanda. Amanda, thank you for being here.
Yeah, no problem. I'm so happy to be here.
Oh my gosh, I have to thank you a lot for this because you're bringing bread and cheese. Who doesn't love that ooey gooey cheese plus a combination of bread?
I know. It's a perfect snacking appetizer for fall. It's also great as a side dish too. So I think you're really going to like this.
It looks so beautiful. And depending how hungry you are, you may be able to eat most of this by yourself.
I may have eaten a pan by myself before, but
no judgment.
I won't admit to that.
No judgment. Okay, where do we start to make this?
So all you're going to do is you're going to grab some pizza dough. And you can make this homemade if you want to, or you can grab store-bought.
Okay.
And I have sectioned them out into 18 little balls that are about, an inch and a half in diameter.
Okay.
And you're going to take the bread, or the dough, excuse me, and you're going to spread it out here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to grab our Cache Valley Creamery garlic cheese curds. Now these cheese curds are new, and this garlic flavor is probably one of my favorite.
Okay.
And the curds come in different sizes. So sometimes you'll get, go for it. Sometimes you get them a little bit bigger. If you do, then one will fit in there perfectly, and you're just gonna pinch the dough around the curd and like this into a little ball. And
by the way, I just have to stop you. Those are amazing. Those are brand new.
Yes, their cheese curd line is new. They have a Cajun flavor, they have a garlic, and then they have a regular cheddar cheese. The garlic, though, I have to say, I'm a garlic girl. So
I am
that's
too.
my favorite.
You immediately get that garlic hit.
Exactly. So I pre-stuffed some ones here.
Okay.
But then what you're going to do is you're going to put them into a cast iron skillet. And the cast iron skillet really gives you kind of that nice crispy bottom to these. I've also melted some of the Cache Valley Creamery salted butter in here too, because that will get it nice and buttery on the bottom.
Butter, bread, and cheese. Great.
Yeah, exactly. So once you have them all stuffed, you're just going to add them here to the cast iron skillet.
Okay. How long are we cooking them for?
So before you cook them, we are going to add a little bit of a topping that goes on them, because
you do that before.
Yes, exactly. So once you have them in here, then what I've done is I've got some more Cache Valley Creamery melted butter over here.
Okay.
And then what we're going to do is we're going to add some fresh garlic. I've minced it up really fine.
Okay.
And we're going to add that to the butter. And then I also have some fresh parsley that we've minced up, and we're going to add that in there for like a little topping that's going to go on top.
Yum. That's what makes it pretty too.
Exactly. So then you kind of get that garlic in the middle with the cheese, and you also get it on the bottom. And so what you're going to do after you mix that all up, I like to use a little bit of a pastry brush so I can
brush it on.
Get it right on top here.
Okay, we have about 30 seconds left. So you brush that on, then how long do we cook?
And then you're going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top and put these back in the oven for about 15 to 17 minutes. And then if you want, you could try these.
I'm going to try one.
They are
I can't wait.
So good. And I like to serve them with a little bit of pizza sauce or marinara.
Great idea. Tell me about the event you have next week real quick.
Yeah, we've got the Cache Valley Creamery Showdown that's coming up next week, and it's on the 17th from 6:30 to 8:30. And it is a cooking competition. We got 4 chefs there. You get to try all the different dishes. It's going to be a really fun event.
Where can we go to get this recipe? It's amazing, you guys.
You can get it on the Cache Valley Creamery website.
It's so good. I could eat the whole thing myself. I think. Yeah. Amanda, great to see you. Thanks so much.
Yeah, no problem. Thanks for having me.